In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get paid thousands of dollars every single month on Digistore 24. And I'm also going to show you how to take advantage of this website to make even passive income online. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to digistore24.com if you don't have an account already, and all you need to do is to click on register now to create an absolutely free account. And the next step is to come over to this website, shrinkme.io, and this website is going to pay you when people click on your link. So you can consider this website as a URL shortener that allows you to make money when people click on your shortened link. And now if you come over to this section that says payout rate, if you create an account with this website, you're going to get $1 for free. And also you get to withdraw your payment when you make minimum of $5. And now you can see they have a lot of payment options available, from Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal, and all other modes of payment. And now you can see you want to target these top countries if you want to really earn a lot of money from this website. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this in today's video. So once you create an account on Digistore 24, the first thing you want to do is to come over to the left section of the page to pick a product. And now you can pick any product from any category of your choice, but I'm going to take animal and pet category as an example to show you how to do this process. So once you click on this category, as you can see right here, there are over 17 products available under this category. So we are going to take this first one as an example. So all you need to do from here is to grab your affiliate link by clicking on this button. All you then need to do is to paste your affiliate link in a new page to make sure everything is working properly. As you can see, this is a professional looking landing page that is going to convert like crazy. So all you need to do from here is to click on this click here to join to see if your affiliate link is working properly. So once you do that, you want to make sure to scroll to the very bottom of the page and make sure your affiliate ID is appearing right here. So if you can see your affiliate ID right here, then you know everything is working properly. So the next thing you want to do from here is to then go back to your account. And once you come back to your account, all you need to do is to click on this new shorten link. So once you do that, you want to paste your affiliate link in this box. And all you need to do from here, you want to type in a keyword that resonates with that product. All right, so you can see right here, I am taking for your pets as an example. And the reason I'm doing this is obvious, is because this product is going to teach people how to train their dogs and their cats. And as you can see right here, you are going to get paid 90% commission when you sell this product, which means you're going to get paid $13 for everyone who purchased this product from your affiliate link. So now all you need to do from here is to then click on shorten. So as you can see right here, this is our shorten link. And once people click on this link, they will be shown an ad which they can skip. And after they skip the ad, it's going to take them to this landing page. And the reason you want to do this is because if people don't purchase the product, you're still going to make money on this platform anyway, which you can withdraw when you make $5. All right, so it's a win-win situation. If people don't purchase the product today, you will still make money as long as they click on that link. All right, so the next thing you want to do from here is quite simple. Start driving traffic to this link, and the easiest traffic source to use is Facebook. So all you need to do is to create a Facebook account, and you want to join related group to that product. As you can see right here, cat meme, you can see this is a very active group. This post was made a few hours ago, and as you can see right here, a lot of people are engaging with this type of post on Facebook. So you can use Facebook to get free traffic. So all you need to do is to then come over to the search section, and you want to type in cat or dog. All right, so once you do this, then you want to scroll down to this group, and you want to make sure to select public group, because you want to join group where you don't need admin to approve you, as that can take a long time. All right, and now before you join any group, I recommend you go over to group that have at least 10 posts a day, as that tells you that group is very active. So all you need to do is to join as many of these groups as possible. So once you join related group in that niche, all you then need to do is to come over to where it says write something. So you want to make a very creative post like this that is going to make people want to check out the link, something like this. I'm wondering if anyone has used this trending cat training guide. Please advise. And once you do this, here you want to then paste in that shorten link, And as you can see right here, it's going to show you a preview of that landing page. This is a very creative way of getting people to click on this link. And like I said, if people don't purchase the product today, you're still going to make money anyway. All right, so all you just need to do from here is to then click on post. So you want to repeat this same strategy by joining as many cart groups as possible, and you want to make that post in all of those groups. And I can assure you, you're going to get a lot of traffic and you will get a lot of sales as well. And also keep in mind, there are multiple products on this niche. As you can see right here, you want to go to the next product and you want to repeat this same process as well. And if you do this for all of these products, you will definitely be making money in passive income. In order to maximize your earnings, you can also go to related forums to repeat the same strategy as well. You want to type in something like cat forums or dog forum. Like I said, this is going to depend on the niche you're working with. And you want to join 10 to 20 forums that are very active. And all you need to do is to make that same post in those forums. And doing this is going to give you a lot of clicks on your link, which is going to make you money, and you can withdraw when you meet minimum of $5. All right, as you can see right here, and you will be making a lot of money, as well as a lot of these people will definitely purchase this product, and you will be making money on digistore24.com as well. So the final traffic source I recommend to use is YouTube, and all you need to do is to come over to youtube.com and you want to click on live. If you do this, this is going to show you only live videos on YouTube. And now you want to make sure to search for cat as well, or dog, or whatever product you're working with. And if you click on search, it's going to show you related videos that are currently live that are talking about this cat keyword. And all you need to do is to click on this live videos. So if I take this one here as an example, so if you come over to the video, as you can see, these are a lot of people engaging with this content. And as you already know, they are interested in this keyword. And this means there's a lot of opportunity for us to make sale and get a lot of clicks from people watching this video. As you can see right here, this is someone making this comment: my cat keeps bouncing on my phone. So you already know people who are watching this video are interested in cats. So all you just need to do from here is to paste in that same question you pasted on Facebook as well, and you want to click on send. As you can see, this post went through without YouTube blocking this comment. So you want to repeat this same strategy for as many videos, and you will definitely get a lot of traffic and make a lot of money.